Bore da, good morning. It's Jo from Talk and Play. Well, as it's Halloween, I thought I'd read you a nice Halloween story. Are you ready? It's called Little Monster and the Spooky Party. A letter for me has come in the post, pushed under the door by a whiffy ghost. Can you see the letter? Shall we read it? It says, Little Monster. Spooky party, prepare to be scared. Tonight at the haunted house at 13 Spooky Street. Shall we go? Yes. Shall I go in? Do I dare? I'll open the door and see who's there. That's a good idea. Are you ready? Here's the door. Open. Hello, it's Ghost. Hello, Ghost. Shall we see who's in the windows as well? Ready? Up to the first window. It's Bat and Spider. Hello. And across to the next window, it's Witch. And down to the last window, oh, I can almost see him. He's peeking. It's Skeleton. Hello. Turn the page. Come in, say Skeleton. There's lots to eat. I wonder what's the yummiest treat. Shall we have a look? In the big blue pan, there's snails. Yuck. Ooh. Where shall we go next? In the green box with the purple lid, there are lollipops. Yum. And in the blue box with the red spots, there are sweets. And last of all, in the orange pot, there are yuck, worms, wiggly worms. Shall we turn the page? Yes. Now it's time to play hide and shriek. Who will I find? Let's take a peek. Are you ready? Let's look in the box with the red. Oh, it's Witch. Hello. Next, shall we look in the wardrobe with the mirror door? Boo! Oh my gosh, he scared me too. Next, shall we look in the bed with the stars on the blanket? It's Skeleton. Woo! And last of all, let's look under the carpet with the cat on. Eek! It's the ghost! Oh my gosh! And I can see some spiders. Can you see them? Yes, well done. Let's turn the page. I get a surprise when I go to the loo. I open the lid and someone says, Boo! It's Frog, well done. But psst, there's someone behind the shower curtain. Shall we take a look? Yes. Ready? Boo! Oh, it's Monster. Hello. Turn the page. Then suddenly a huge ghost gives everyone a scare. Can you see all of them? my gosh. Shall we see who's under there? Yes, ready. 1, 2, 3. Oh, phew. It's Mum and Dad. Gosh, they scared me. Turn the page. At the end of the evening, the band play a tune, and we boogie, bop and dance in the light of the moon. Good night, everyone. I hope you had a good time too. Oh, that was a lovely story. Well, I hope you have a lovely Halloween evening. I'll see you soon. Hwyl fawr. Bye bye.